I'm going to be showing you some more packs. I'm just going to open the 5 premium packs and like 2 pro packs. So, yeah, don't forget about that giveaway too. These premium packs, 5 items, I think 3 gold and 2 silver, and they're $21,000 to buy. Mike Martin, 85 middle linebacker, 69 defensive tackle, Donald Brown, and Chris Clemens. Next pack. Usually I get like at least 1 elite from these. I remember one time I got a Charles Woodson. It was actually like really good. Made some pretty good profit off him. Next pack. 74 corner, 66 defensive end, 73 middle linebacker again, and 82 corner Ike Taylor. No elites yet. Hoping for one, because these are pretty expensive. 82 safety, 69 offensive guard, 74 corner, 71 offensive guard, and 74 defensive tackle. Ooh. Last one of these. Come on, EA, give me an elite player. 69 wide receiver, Kenny Stills, Team of the Week 13. 77 defensive end, no elites. Alright. Well, not bad. I got that Team of the Week. And they just came out today, so it's pretty good. Last night, off camera, I got 2 elites back to back. It was pretty cool. 75 safety. They were both 90 Team of the Week, Week 12s. So this is my last pack. Alright. Give me an elite EA. Bronze trophy. Nope. Alright, so yeah, don't forget about that giveaway, 50 subs. Thanks for watching, and if you liked it, please subscribe.